Welcome back. And today we are using turquoise, purple, and pink. You wanna see how I got this look? Just keep watching. Hello guys, so today I am going to be working on a color story with like a deep turquoise and sunset pinks and purples. Probably something you've seen me do before, but not dedicated to a color story. I've been doing a lot of research on my deep set eyes because I struggle so hard with like cut creases and graphic looks because of the shape of my eye. And I have found I need to start studying my bone structure. I've gone ahead and put some concealer on the lids of my eyes and opened them up so I can see where, if I were to cut a crease, where it would go. Of course, obviously, if I were to look dead on the camera after cutting the crease, it would kind of disappear. So I'm going to take my brush and kind of paint a line. Of how I kind of want my shadow to flow, enhancing my natural bone structure, so I can just get a visual on it. Start working underneath here. I'm gonna add more concealer later, but I'm gonna work right along here so I can get the general shape of what I want with my color. And I know the outer corners of my eyes needs to be the darkest to enhance my deep set eyes. So that is where I'm gonna use my Subculture palette and go in with this dark turquoise axis. But above that, I think I'm gonna have the darkest purple, and that is going to be using Rowdy. Starting off with a really flat angle brush with the Can color from my Riviera palette. Moving on to BH Cosmetics. And finishing it off with Rowdy. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions and get some of the lighter color purples in here, and I'm going to go just above it and kind of smoke out that purple line. So I'm going to go in with this color Eve from my Venus XL2 palette. Here's this color Bikini. Watermelon from the Violet Voss palette. that's a wrap. Cue sexy montage time.